Hey angels, welcome to the channel. Right now I'm going to be doing a room tour for you guys. This has been highly requested. I guess you guys want to see the new room since we moved. We didn't finish getting everything together, but you guys will at least get to see like the layout of the room, what it looks like and everything like that. So let's just get into it. Okay, so when you walk in, everything is carpeted. This is the doorway. This is the TV, which we'll get to in a minute. I'm gonna start on this side of the room. These are some portraits that my daughter actually made for me for Mother's Day, which I love. Definitely, if y'all want some portraits and stuff, I'm getting her channel and everything together now, so she does a lot of artistic things. This is my grandma, y'all, and my dad. Y'all already know that. Where did I get this mirror from? This mirror I got at I'm gonna put it down below in the description. It's an arts and store craft, whatever. What is that? Arts and store? Hobby Lobby. I got that mirror from Hobby Lobby, and they got some nice stuff there. This rug is like a nice, like furry little plush rug. I got this rug from Marshall's or Kohl's. I'm almost 100% it's Marshall's, but I'm gonna check for y'all. So that's that. This is my little corner here. If Bay leave me alone for 2 seconds, this is my little corner here, y'all. So like this is where I normally like set up to film and do my videos and stuff like that.
Where she me at.
Y'all know I always get like these backdrops and stuff at Walmart. I just get like different fabrics from Walmart and use that.
Tired of sharing my time with y'all.
So this is my ring light. Y'all know I gotta have my newer ring light. I use this for almost everything. This is a sequence backdrop that I got. I forget where I got that, but check in the description. This is a false lock wig that I just made, and y'all know I gotta have my wig stand, cause y'all know I be making wigs and stuff. But stay tuned, cause I'm definitely about to have the site up for the wigs. If anybody want to purchase this wig, make sure you contact me. It's for faux locks, super cute. The fan, the blondes, and this is like my bag of books and important like sponsored videos and stuff that I need to get to and need to remember. I just put that there for right now. This duffel bag is like full of books, like no capping, and my little pencil case and stuff. I keep all my books and stuff nearby, so that's that. Over here I have this graffiti backdrop. I have another stand, a tripod for my camera. Back here is my camera bag full of cameras and everything I got, and this is like my little slim fast and like little goodies and stuff that I keep and I try to hide away from, you know, the fam. This is a mirror that I got from Hobby Lobby. They actually come with these extra things, so when they come off you can actually like glue them back on, so I have to like find them and glue those back on. But this came from Hobby Lobby too. I think this was $150 just for this one mirror alone. And what you need, baby? Oh, okay. This here is my tiara that I got in the right now that it's actually clear and focused. You guys can see that it's actually a good quality tiara. But this is the bed. This is the bed. When we actually moved in here, we had the bed along the wall on this side, and we had like a nice bed set, headboard, everything. If I could find a picture, I'll insert it. But we decided to just bring it down and just have it relax on the floor. Everything that you see on this bed, linen, everything is Target, and then the pillows is Marshall's. I got that with the rug, the fur rug, and then down here. This is just a little ashtray situation for Bay. So that's the bed and everything. And then this is like a nice fluffy rug. Got this from Walmart, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so when you're on this side of the room, you'll see like the double closets, like his and her situation, and then the TV in the entertainment center, and that's me, your girl, you feel me? And down here is like books, our Bibles, routers, modems, a little hookah that somebody gifted me with, Bay games, his charger, rechargeable battery packs, and his Xbox. So I guess since he's over here in his closet, I guess I'll start over here in my closet. So in my,
Did you see my belt, baby?
I thought it was in the living room.
No.
Back here is a box of everything. This is like an important box.
It's my junk box. A lot of y'all.
And then in here is everything, like all my clothes and stuff. I keep like my shirts and stuff up here, and my jeans and pants and everything up here. And then down here where everything is, I start off with like beach attire. First of all, these are like all my little Ipsy bags and stuff, but I start off here with like beach attire, and it goes from beach attire to like lingerie, and from lingerie to my robes, and then you start getting into like all my tops and stuff. From my tops, you're gonna get into like all my hoodies, my sweatsuits, literally everything it is that I got. You're gonna start getting into all my cute little club outfits, dresses, rompers, jumpers, everything is here. I have a bin down here full of like sponsored stuff and full of like my wig making stuff, everything it is that I use for my wigs. This is a double side, so I have on this side more dresses and stuff, some little jackets, my sexy little stuff, some little purses and stuff that I have, my bags and everything like that. So shoe wise, I have my shoes somewhere else. I don't keep my shoes in here, so I guess I'll just have to do a separate video for shoes. Moving right along, we're gonna move over to his closet, but that's the front door there, and I mean the bedroom door. But this is his closet. He keeps all his jeans and everything here. Again, organized all his shirts, jackets, everything, and all of his sneakers and everything like that. I'm almost ready. I'm about to throw my stuff on. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted you to really like get a chance to see our room. I think I'll do like a video, like a room tour for the kids, like, you know, I don't know, maybe the boys or something. If that's something y'all want to see, make sure you comment down below. Other than that, I hope y'all like my new room. I got so much more space in this room. Like when I was at the last place and stuff like that, we didn't have that much space. Like the bedroom was like, babe, you think the bedroom was like half the size at the old house? The bedroom probably was like half this size.
Yeah, it was half this size.
At the old house, the bedroom probably was like half this size. So like now, we actually, hi baby.
What's up, y'all?
So now we actually have more space in here. So I don't know. Anyway, make sure y'all comment down below. Give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Come and join the family. Become one of our angels. And something that I have not been saying in my videos anymore. Always remember, you gotta go?
Not now.
Okay. Always remember the key to success. Put God first. Always be determined. And consistency is key. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.